Hello everyone, this is Curtis at home getting ready to cook something. That's right, I'm at home getting ready to cook something. Again, guys, what I'm going to be preparing to tonight, let's see, I'm going to have me a hamburger. But this is going to be one of these, well, a different type of burger. I got the grind beef, but what it's going to be is a bacon cheeseburger with the sharp cheddar cheese on it. Now I got some of this bacon here, some of this here Jimmy Dean bacon. So I'm gonna be putting some of that on that, and we're gonna have a good old, as we say, a bacon burger with the sharp cheddar cheese on there. So that's what we're getting ready to cook up now. Some of that Jimmy Dean bacon with some grind beef. We're gonna season that up. So let's get ready to cook. Let's get ready to cook. So let me get that meat out of that package there and see if I can get it ready so we can cook us up one of these good old bacon burgers. Oh, and I got some of those jumbo some of these right here, the jumbo buns, not those little bitty ones. You know, sometimes you get some and your meat be flapping out of the bun, and you end up having just a little bit of bread, not much, but I got some of the jumbo, so hopefully that's gonna work for us. All right, guys, let's get ready. Let's get ready. Okay, guys, I got some of the grind beef out of the package, and we're gonna take and put a little black pepper on it to season it up a little bit. We'll just put a little bit of that in there, a little black pepper. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that just kind of boosted up that black pepper, and we're gonna take and gonna add a little bit of this here Larry. Y'all know the Larry seasoned salt. Put a little bit of that in there. Yep. Just sprinkle a little bit of that off in there. That's gonna season up the meat there. Okay. And now we're just gonna take, and just whisk it around, turn it around in there, and make us a hamburger patty. We're gonna have a good old hamburger patty here. So we're gonna have us that good old bacon. Yeah, that bacon burger we're working on to prepare here. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. It's nothing like a good home cooked burger. Yeah, I mean, man, you get at the price, nowadays you go to a place and ooh, you pay all that money, you're not getting a good burger. Nah, 15 bucks and wow, still hungry. They give you the little thin patties and well, we're not gonna worry about that because we're gonna fix our own patty up right here. That's right, we're fixing it up right here. We get more for our money. Doing it ourselves, we know what we're getting. We're getting us a good ground beef burger. There's a patty right here. Okay. You can roll it, make it thick as you want to make it. You can put all what you want in it. I like to just work it around. Get it like I want it here. Okay. You can make it as thin as you want. Sometimes we have like a smash burger or whatever, but we're gonna smash it. Yeah, I think this is gonna be looking good. This is a good size patty. It's good. Yeah, look at that. Make our own. Okay, guys, give me a minute, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna take that over there, and we're gonna put it on the skillet over here. Give me a minute. Give me just a minute so we can move around. Okay, guys, we're back. So now we're gonna take and warm the skillet up here. We're gonna also turn the skillet on for the bacon. We're gonna let it cook down. Okay, so let's get that patty out of here, that hamburger patty that I put together here. We're gonna put that right in there. And oh yeah, let it start cooking a little bit here. Okay, so now we're getting that, letting it warm up. We're gonna cook it down real good. Got the bacon working. Okay. Now, what I always like to do is I don't know. I always like to put a little this extra virgin oil on it. I just like to put a little bit of that onto it, just to give my meat some little flavor onto it. You just put a little tab, that's just to season it. Don't have to put much. Put a little bit of that on there. Okay, there we go. Then we just take, we got that on there. Turn it over. Turn that over. And we're gonna take and add a little bit more. Just another little drop on this side. There we go. Okay, now let it cook. It's gonna cook out. Then work in there. Got the bacon over here working. Oh yeah, we're gonna have a good tasty burger here. It's gonna be our bacon burger. All right, guys. Let's let it just simmer there for a few minutes. We'll cook it all the way through. Okay. I'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, guys, I'm back, and I got some of this sharp cheddar cheese here that I took and cut off there. So we're just gonna lay some of that on there. That flavor, let that soak in right here. Just get some of that cheese flavor into it. Got the bacon already cooked up. I always like to cook my bacon all the way through so that I can lay that on there after. It's good. I'm gonna yeah, that bacon gonna be really good. It's gonna bring in some more good flavor there, that bacon flavor. So we're just gonna let that sit there and warm up a little bit, warm that cheese up. We're gonna let that cheese warm so we can get that sharp cheddar flavor in there. Oh yeah. All right, guys, give me a minute. We're gonna let that just, like I say, warm up a little bit. Okay, guys, I let the cheese warm. You see it kind of melted there. I didn't want to warm it too much. I like it to just be warm just a little bit so I have that sharp cheddar flavor over the beef there. So if I warmed it a little bit more, it would be running all over. So I don't want it to run all over. So this here is just going to be fine for what I'm doing to prepare this burger. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put the burger together. So let me get this here off of here so that we can move it to building our burger. Oh yeah, we're gonna have us a good old bacon burger. Yeah, we can go on and take take that bacon off of there. Oh yeah, it's done cooled off. Oh, look at that. Just add that on there, lay that on there. That bacon. Lay that on top of the cheese. Oh yeah. This is the way I like to have it. Oh yeah. Good bacon on top of that cheese. Oh yeah. It's gonna bring it in some good flavor here. Oh yeah. There we go. So now we're gonna take and move that over to the plate. We're gonna put the burger together. Okay, give me a minute. Give me a minute. Okay, guys. I'm ready to put the burger together now. As you can see, I have the buns already toasted. I put some butter on there and I warmed it and just kind of put a little light toast on it right here. As you can see right here, got it all toasted up right there. So now what we're gonna do is take and put some mayonnaise on there. Well, I always buy one of these big containers of it because I do a lot of cooking, and so I use a lot of mayonnaise when I want to fix a good burger. So I'm gonna reach in here, get some of this mayonnaise out of here, and just put a little bit on there, a little bit, you know, just on that side. Add a little bit more. I don't have to have too much of it, but put a little bit on there. That's gonna give me some more of that good flavor. I just like mayonnaise. And put that on there. So we're gonna put a burger together here now. So now what I want to do is I want to get over there and get that burger off of the skillet. There we go. It has finished. Okay, here we go. As I let it sit over there, you see it completely melted with the bacon on it, the cheese. So there we go. We got that right there. So now we are building our burger. So now I always like to have some lettuce, put some of that lettuce on that. Yeah, just add a little bit more of that. I like some lettuce, and let's put that on there. A little bit of that lettuce in there. Going to go great with the bacon and the sharp cheddar cheese that we have on here. Now, also, I'm gonna have some tomato. Got the tomato, gonna put that on there. And I always like, well, I have some of these pickles, this sweet radish, and I always like to just add a little bit of that off into it. Just put some of that sweet radish on there. It's nothing but a pickle, but I also have some of the other pickles that I put on there too. I like to put some hamburger pickles on it. Yeah, here we go. Put a little bit of that on that. And let's see, there we go. We got that on there. Okay, that's gonna be enough for that. So now we're gonna top it off. Now take a look at it. This is the way that our burger looks. You see that? Look at that. It's got the bacon, sharp cheddar cheese, tomato, all of that. You see all of that? Oh, juice coming from it here. Oh, this is gonna be good. This is gonna be good, guys. Give me a minute, and then we're gonna always have that taste test. We must have us a taste test here because I done all this cooking to fix this and put it together. So now we can't do nothing but taste it. So you're gonna see how it tastes, cause I'm gonna display it. I gotta take a bite of this. I can't wait to get a bite of it. Give me a minute, and we're gonna get ready to have some of this. All right, guys, I'm back. I got the fries and I got the burger. Look at this burger. Look at this burger. Will you look at this burger? Oh God, look at that. See that? That is what can I say? A bacon burger with the sharp cheddar cheese, tomatoes, lettuce, pickles. Oh wow, man, if I can hold this thing together, guys, let me take a bite of it. Man, this is good. Oh, this flavor in this. Oh God. Oh man. Man, this is good. Man, mm. Wow. Got my eyes tearing up. It's so good. About to make me cry. Man. That bacon. Oh, man. Guys, let me try some of these fries with like sharp powdered cheese. Oh, these fries. Woo. Man. Man. When you cook like this, you don't want to go out to eat. You want to come home and cook you something. That's all you got to do, guys. Come on home and cook you something. Man. I just feel, yeah, this is good. Wow. Oh, yeah. I'm enjoying this, guy. Hey, I gotta go, guys. I gotta go and finish this burger up. It is good, hot, juicy with this sharp cheddar cheese running all over it and the bacon flavor in it with the lettuce, tomatoes, pickles. This is good. But I ain't gonna waste no more time. I'm finna dig into this and enjoy this burger. Y'all stay tuned. I'll be back with something else real soon. Gotta go now. Bye.